Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. I'm very excited to bring to you all this brand new video, and make sure that you smash the like button before we get started. Let's get this video to 10 likes. That's my goal for this video. So I'm very excited to bring you all this video because today I'm going to be talking about two investments that I see tremendous value. This opportunity doesn't come too often, so I want to make sure that you pay attention and you take a close look at these two stocks and why I see value in them. This will make you a better investor overall because you'll get to see qualities that you should check for in stocks. And these are my affiliate links. Make sure you take a look if you're interested in these. M1 Finance, this is one of the last few days where you can take advantage of this deal. You'll get $20 automatically invested for you if you open up a brokerage with M1 Finance. Also, Mercari, get $10 off your first purchase on Mercari, my favorite selling and buying platform. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already. We make some of the best stock market related content showing you how you can profit more from your investments and how to build a winning Robinhood portfolio as well. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any new videos from this YouTube channel. And alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first stock is Icahn Enterprises, IEP. So this is a very wealthy person named Carl Icahn. I don't know if you've heard of him before, but he's a billionaire up there in the ranks with Warren Buffett. And this is basically his portfolio. He has a very diversified portfolio of investments. It would be crazy to name all the businesses that are under this stock, but you're basically buying into all of his investments by buying one share of his stock. So this is $75, $78 right now, and I see tremendous value in this stock because based on its technical analysis, there's moments in times where this stock is very undervalued and it drops dramatically, but then there's random times where it starts to go up in value tremendously. And this has a very, very high dividend. I'll show you exactly how much this stock pays you in dividends per share, and it's actually very interesting because you can actually swing trade the stock and collect dividends along the way. So not only will you make money from the profit for buying and selling the stock, but you're also going to make profit from the dividends that you'll likely get through holding the stock through a period of time. So that's how you see a long description right there, all the businesses they own. And I've had some history with the stock before, so I'm used to it. And the dividend for that one is $1.75 per share, so $1.75 for about $77 that you invest in the stock. So, and I'll show you the technical analysis as well as the balance sheet later on. But you don't actually see the full technical analysis breakdown until you look at the max chart of the stock. So that's why I always tell investors, make sure you look at the max chart of any stock you're looking into investing, because that gives you the full picture from when it began in the stock market until now. Basically 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, doesn't really matter. What matters the most is 5 years and the max. So as you see here, the max chart, you see there's random moments when it starts to go up dramatically in value. And that's what I'm looking forward to in the stock. After it goes up dramatically, it goes down. It lasts about 3 years in the highs and then 3 years in the lows. And you can actually calculate this. It's kind of spot on. And then as you see recently, it's actually starting to show the signs that it's starting to reverse back into those all-time highs. And this is a stock that is making higher lows each time. So every time it drops in value, it's actually higher priced than the previous low. So this is what I call a winning stock, where on the max chart, it's always showing signs of growth. Even though it has its lows, it's always making a higher low. And that's what you want to have in an investment. You want it to be growing. Even when it hits lows, you want it to overall, through periods of times, you always want it to make higher highs. That's kind of how the S&P 500 is. That's why it's one of the best investments you can make, because no matter what, even if you buy at a bad time, it'll still go up over time if you just leave it long enough. And if you want to see a line of support and resistance on this so that you get a more clearer picture of what exactly I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and draw it out right now. And with the blue line, I'll show you the line of support, meaning where it hits its lows, and then a line of resistance where you should be selling around the red line, somewhere around there. I'm usually pretty quick to sell as soon as it goes up in value, because I usually invest with a little bit more money. But basically, the more money you have, the faster you want to sell, because you're putting in more at risk. So there you go. I hope this pattern is very clear to you and you see why this is an attractive investment. So now, Activision. This is a stock where I've made money in it before, but I'm looking into buying a lot more shares in, and I actually have my foot in the door for both of these stocks, ATVI and IEP. I already started buying shares slowly, just sort of to test the waters, and I'm not gonna go all into it until I see full-on confirmation that both of these stocks are going towards the uptrending, towards the all-time highs, like I showed you on the technical analysis breakdown. But I'll show you this on ATVI as well. As long as you are diligent about buying one share at a time, what I always teach in my videos, and as long as you're not going full in and you buy as it goes up in value, so as you make more profits, like let's say I'm up $2 on it, wait until you're $4 up and then buy another share, and then don't buy another share yet, wait until it goes up to $6 profit now, and then buy one more share. So as it goes up in profits, then you can buy more shares one at a time. This will prevent you from acquiring losses, because you don't want to put more money in a losing investment. You only want to put money in a stock if it's making you more money. So I'm literally willing to put $10,000, $20,000 in any one of these investments, as long as it continues to make me more money. Because why would you want your money sitting in a bank if you can use it right now to make you money? And as long as it doesn't sell off, sell it right away as soon as it starts lowering than a certain price point that you give it. And ATVI is a stock I've had a lot of history in. As you see, all those buy orders one at a time that you see, and the dividend for this one is 37 cents. So you're also going to be collecting dividends as you swing trade the stock. It's actually pretty simple. There's actually not that much risk involved with trading stocks at all, as most people make you think. As long as you start slowly, just try it with one share. Buy one share, wait until you're profitable with that one share, and then once you see like $2, $3 profit, or a little bit more, depending on your comfort level, buy another share, and then wait until you're more profitable now than with the one share, and then buy your next one. So, and then if it goes down, then just leave it alone. Don't add any more money. Wait until it makes another high. So this is ATVI stock and the technical analysis breakdown. As you see, this is a growing stock. It's always making higher lows. Even when it drops, it always tends to recover. You just have to wait and see until it starts making the higher recovery. So, which is starting to feel like it's right now. I'm paying close attention to it. But you want to wait. Don't invest right away, because you don't want to be having your money stuck in the stock for a long time without it making higher highs. So that's why it's important for you to wait until you confirm a proper reversal, and slowly add more shares as you are more profitable. And I always recommend looking at the balance sheet for any stock you're going to invest in. And it's very simple. All you look is at the total assets and the total liabilities. You just want to see more assets and liabilities in any stock you invest in. And I'm checking this for IEP and ATVI. So as long as this checks out, then you're pretty much good to go for investing in it. In terms of the financials, also look at the fundamentals and the technical analysis like I did. and there's also a little bit of psychological reasoning why you should invest in a stock. This has more to do with earnings, depending on the scenario, but I'll probably have another video on this. But that's basically how I day traded Facebook, based on the overall psychology of the stock before the earnings. So as you see, a line of support and resistance as well with ATVI. All of this makes sense. You just have to start slow and get your foot in the door, start swing trading some stocks, and learn exactly how to stay profitable and why it's important for you to stay disciplined, not to go too crazy in any stock. Always be controlled and only buy more shares into an investment that's making you more money. That's what's helped me stay profitable in many swing trades that I've done. So definitely, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I love making all of my subscribers more profitable investors in the stock market. That's my pride and joy behind this YouTube channel, and that's the whole purpose of making this channel, so that I teach all of you how you can make profits through different avenues as well. And make sure you check out this referral links. M1 Finance, last 3 days, 2 days to get $20 for your investment portfolio, and also Robinhood, free share when you sign up for this awesome brokerage that I use every single day. So thank you all so much for watching. Please comment down below any questions you have and like this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.